Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you a brand new tool called CodeSpy.AI, a platform that detects AI-generated code. If you've ever used tools like GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT for programming, you'll want to see this. We'll demo it on Java code and talk about how it can help developers and software companies avoid risky AI code. Let's dive in. CodeSpy.AI is designed to identify which parts of your code were generated by AI tools. It currently supports Java, Python, JavaScript, C++, C#, and PHP. It doesn't rewrite the code or fix bugs, and that's by design. Because studies have shown that AI-generated code can be outdated, buggy, and sometimes dangerous. In fact, an award-winning study from NYU Tandon School of Engineering found that AI code often contains memory issues, points to non-existent databases, and creates quality risks. If you're a small consulting team with 1 to 4 developers, CodeSpy helps you quickly review and quality check the AI-written sections before delivering code to clients, helping you reduce revisions, win more contracts, and protect your reputation. For medium-sized firms managing freelancers or subcontractors, CodeSpy adds a layer of accountability. Since legal limits on AI code are likely coming, you'll want to know how much AI you're shipping to clients before it becomes a liability. Now let's jump into a quick demo. I've loaded 2 Java code files. These first 2 pages are written by AI, and the rest is written by a human developer. This is the CodeSpy dashboard. On the left, we see reports and projects, and on the right, we see a new AI scan button. Now, to scan the AI-written code, all we have to do is select the language. Copy and paste the AI-written code. Once we've done that, we can click Analyze to analyze the code. We see that CodeSpy has found that this code has a very high probability, 98 out of 100, and clearly labels it as mostly AI. For details, we can click on the content. Here we see exactly what AI Detector Pro code found. You'll notice that some parts of the code are highlighted in red. These are the most likely to be generated by an AI model. Code highlighted in orange is slightly less likely, but still very likely to be generated by an AI model. Code in black is not likely to be generated by an AI model. This confirms what we talked about earlier. These are the sections where you're most likely to find bugs or risky behavior, so knowing this helps you focus your quality checks. Now here's a code written by a human developer. Copy the human-written code. Once we've done that, we can click Analyze to analyze the code. Notice the detection score is just 2 out of 100, and it's confidently marked as human. For details, we can click on the content. You'll see that nearly all the code is rendered in black, and some in yellow, indicating it's unlikely to be AI-generated. This reinforces the contrast in style, structure, and originality between human and AI-authored code. That tells us this code is likely safe from the typical errors found in AI-generated code. If you're a developer or manage a dev team, I highly recommend trying CodeSpy.AI. It gives you an extra layer of confidence in the code you're shipping. You can use my affiliate link below to sign up. You'll get full access after upgrading. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe, and feel free to comment any questions. See you in the next one.